Hey, this is a private residence, man.
What's up, dudes? This is the Lockpicking Lebowski, and today we're going to be attacking a challenge lock sent to me by the one and the only Big Willy. I've had this lock for over a month. I see I labeled this May 19th. I'm going to put his name on the shrink wrap there so we don't lose that once we remove that. So it's taken me a while to get to this, but we're going to get to it. I'm going to be using a 50 thousandths Peterson pry bar and a Southward hook, my favorite hook. Came with a handle, and I've shrink wrapped the handle. But let's get to it. Let's do it to it. It's a 5-pinner, I believe. Smallest click out of one there. It wasn't much of a click, just a little bit of, Oh, too crunchy as hell. I love the crunchiness. Work from the back there. See what 5's got. 5 snap. That was quick. Five was like nothing at all. Let's see. 1, 2. What do we got going here? Two's nice and crunchy. Something dropped again, but I think we're still in good shape. Got some, I think we're in a false set there a bit. Let's see what we got here. Can't get my pick all the way in the back there. Okay, there we go. See what happened to 5. 5's still in good shape there. That's still in good shape. And we are open. Alright. Let's see what he's put in this thing. See if we can get this camera turned right here. Make sure we keep some light on the subject. Alright. Okay. Get him out of the vise here. Okay. Always got a lot going on here on my work table. My lab pinning tray is full. Currently full of best pins, a work in progress. So I'm going to deal with the paper pinning tray today. You know what? We're just gonna let's see what this key does. Oh, jeez. Okay. See what the bitting looks like on this key. Alright, there's the bitting on our key. Now, let's see if this bad boy works. Which I have no doubt. It's Big Willy, so sure it works. Get this focused. Oh yeah. Okay, no problem. Alrighty. Get this clip off the back. And see what we got as far as the innards. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, that was pretty smooth. Okay, let's get, I'll set this down here for a second. Alrighty, see what we got going here. Pull this key out. Alright, and 1, Good God, look at that beast. We'll go over these in a second there, but the first one is serrated. Second one is serrated key pin. Third one is ungodly. I'm going to get some influence, man. I'm going to get some ideas from this. There's another serrated. That whole freaking thing's serrated. And number 5. Okay, we'll go over those in a second. Let's take a look at the core here. Alright. For the core, might be a little bit tough to see, but chamber number 1 has been chamfered there, I think you call it. Chamber number 2, actually chamber number 2 is threaded. Chamber number 1's kind of countersunk though. Chamber number 2 is threaded. 3 again countersunk. 4 threaded. 5 looks like it's been countersunk there on the inside. Yeah, oh man, that was ungodly. Ungodly. Alright, we're going to set him aside for a second. Now, let's go for the Bible. Let's see what's in chamber number 1. Chamber number 1 reveals a spool. We'll go over these again in a second. Let's see what chamber number 2's got. Chamber number 2 is serrated. Okay, chamber number 3 is a T-pin. Okay. Chamber number 4, once again serrated. Okay. Last but not least, chamber number 5. I'm just going to dump that out in my hand there. And it is a spool. How about the spring? There we go. Groovy. Alright, and looking inside the Bible, I don't believe there's any work to the Bible, which I don't blame them a bit. No real need for it. Top hasn't been disturbed, I don't think, but that's that. Now let's get a close-up look at these, and we will call it a day. I love it. See if we can get a closer look here. Get a closer look here. Alright, that's what we got going there. We got serrated to key pins 1, 2, and 4. Sort of spooled attempts there at 3 and 5. Just some ungodly looking stuff, man. And in the Bible, 1 had a spool, 5 had a spool. Chambers 2 and 4 had serrated, and chamber 3 T-pin. Again, the Bible was countersunk and threaded just in an ungodly way. Gave me some great ideas. So I really appreciate it, Big Willie. And we'll move on to the next challenge lock. Big Lebowski's paging me, so I gotta go, and I'll see you all next time.